Hello guys, it's Marsh from Katie and Marsh, and today I'm here with Barnabas and KMABCD, aka Katie. Woo! Barnabas! Yeah. Okay, I'll tell y'all the two guns I have. I have this gun, and I got this gun. I could have gotten this gun though. She knows, I already said. Ooh, equip your mask. We don't want people knowing who we are. Okay, meet in the fountain in like 2 minutes. No, just meet. No, that's not Barney, that's Barnabas. Wait, where are you? Invite me to your team, and then I gotta go and fight Barnabas. Yeah, I think I'm going to get Barnabas into our team. Barnabas. Barnabas. Never mind, Barnabas is already on the team. Go. Did you equip your mask yet? Okay. Yeah, you have to do that every time. Yeah, mask 9, the one that's like bloody. The bloody one, the very bloody one. Yeah. Okay, come on. No. So that means you don't have that awesome gun anymore? You might, actually. No. This is our land. We are the Barnabases. Remember, you have to jump. Ooh, sir. Let me kiss you. Wow, way to put your butt in my face. You're what? You're not a what? Ooh! Team. Oh yeah, boy! Okay, maybe CD. Also, yeah, maybe CD is also team. Let's go! Watch this. Yay! I was joking! Sorry, boy, you chose the wrong people to screw with. No, look it, there's a weapon on this building down there. I'll cover you. This is crazy! No, look it, it's just on the roof of that building over there. Over here, I'll cover you. It's right over here on the roof. Look it, it's an AK. No, this one! South 91. South 91, that's where the AK is. Go. You're gonna get killed if you don't get a weapon. Just go get the AK! Try winning, you have 0 wins. Yeah, I have 2. And this is crazy. So here's my number. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you. I'm gonna get Bro, Barnabas! Barnabas! Did you name yourself that because you're a bus? Hey, bro, the cops are gonna show up to our house, but yo! Get on the ground, you selfish little. So here's my number, and call me maybe. As you guys can tell, this costs 2,500. It has insane damage. It's a rocket launcher. Plus, look at this, bro. Look at this. Yeah, little brother Jakey trying to roast me. What are you listening to? Yeesh. And we're back. Sorry, y'all. I had to check what. You're gonna get us a flipping copyright strike. You're gonna get us a copyright strike. 1, 2, 7, 3. I'm pooping endlessly. Somebody just said, who the flip trying to put a nut in my butt? Who's trying to put a nut in my butt? Is the amazing narwhal? Ooh, he has some America on that rocket launcher, bro. He got some America on that. Bro, we got some America on that launcher. Wait, what? Wait, what? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm coming. What the heck? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Hi, Mr. Bacon. Hi. Will you stop screaming? Who's the banana boat? It's a banana boat. A banana boat. I'm gonna get a webcam soon, y'all. Buy a webcam. Oh, oh, the Lil Tay Tower, okay? To Lil Tay Tower. Lil Tay Tower, and then we'll go from there. Because this is the safest place in the whole game. You're not making a TikTok right now. We are recording. You do not need to make a TikTok. Hi, Ma! You're a mop. No, it didn't. You don't get to go there. Yeah, that's right, boy. Yeah, you have Ebola. Ah! He's hacking. He shot me through a building. I'm just a little baby. Don't die. Are you seriously making a TikTok? Dude, there's somebody coming up about to kill you. They saw that. Go down to your left. Said to your left. Yes. Drop. You're gonna get killed. There's an A. Yeah, nope. Go behind you. Go behind you. Turn. No. Get out of the house. Turn. Go by the barrier. Go to the barrier. Go to the barrier. Go to the barrier. There's a gun. Move. Go forward. Go forward. Nope. Go to. Yeah. Turn and. Yep. Jump. Go to. Go for. Yes. There's a gun. Do you not see the gun? You're gonna get killed. Told you. Oh my God, Caitlin. My God! much is this? How much is this? Oh, mask 3. Ooh, Mercury, Uncle Sam Eagle, Mercury. Yeet, yeet. You don't know that? I haven't even been recording. Wait, what's going on? Hang on. There's nobody left in the, what? Oh. Yeah, there is. You're right. Who, you? You hid from me. You forgot one thing. I'm gonna follow you. I'll restart the recording when the game starts. Hi! What are you, sir? Wait, you can hear me? No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Barnabas here. Whatever this Planet of the Apes thing is. Okay, we're book. Preparation ends in a minute. Used to be 30 seconds, god darn it. Oof, I went the wrong way! What? I got him. I think they jumped. Go. Ooh, I bet that you kitty real tired. Perfect. Who do you think you are? You're playing me for 40 core. No, look. Oh my gosh! Grab it. Look at me. What? No, why? Really? Just hide out here. We're good. Huh? I'm recording, Mom. Oh, I'm sorry. You stupid? That was a glitch. If they come in, I'm gonna shoot them. I have like one of the most yep. Get your gun ready, pointed at the stairs, okay? Literally aiming. Yeah, I'm using my scope. Oh my gosh! The recording almost ended. Hang on. I'm gonna give you guys back when you guys got it. Yeah. Do you not see what I have? I got Papish. I got Papush. Should we go out there and fight? I'm not a